Ever heard of synonymous words before? Do you know there are several ways to say I am tired in French language? Yes. In this video, I'm going to show you 4 natural ways native speakers of the French language say I am tired in French language. The first, that's the one you already know, isn't it? Je suis fatigué. Please be careful there. Yes, you really have to be careful there. Yeah. Let me go over it. Je suis fatigué. I want you to bear in mind that this first instance, je suis fatigué, is if I were to be a male. Should I say unfortunately I am not? If I were to be a male, I would say je suis fatigué. Okay? But just because I'm a girl, okay, I will say je suis fatigué. You're going to stretch on that. Double E voice sounds. That's that. So tell me, did you get that? Have you heard of synonymous words before? That's the fun of it, okay? If there's another way to do something, why do we always have to go for a known way? Why don't we diversify? Okay? So, tell me, did you get that? I'm waiting. After you. Je suis fatigué. Male. Je suis fatigué. You see the way I'm doing? You have to stretch on that. It's very important. Okay? Hope you got that. Second way, the French people express tiredness. Je suis crevé. Je suis crevé. Do you know what they say about being so much mentally drained or exhausted that people can't even relate? When they say words can't express how tired or exhausted that I feel right now, you can't relate. There are levels to this thing, okay? Now, over to you. Je suis crevé. Can you repeat after me? Je suis crevé. The fun of this is it's necessary for you to master your pronunciation. So, did you get that? Third way that the French people express tiredness without having to always say, je suis fatigué, tu es fatigué, nous sommes fatigués. What? Okay? Is je suis épuisé. There's a liaison. Je suis épuisé. Have you ever been mentally drained? Have you ever been so mentally drained that you feel like even your immediate environment cannot deal? Your immediate environment cannot relate. Je suis épuisé. Does it make sense? Does it make sense? Does it make sense? See, this is pronunciation hack, okay? There is need for us to lay so much emphasis on pronunciation. Because what's the use of learning a language when we shouldn't lay so much emphasis or focus more on how words are pronounced? That's the basics, isn't it? So, repeat after me. Je suis épuisé. Does it make sense? Does it make sense? Okay. Let me tell you something. There's this one that makes so much sense. Of all these 4 ways that the French people express tiredness. Which would you go for? Okay, before that, let me tell you this. There's this last one. Je ne peux plus. Je ne peux plus. Have you ever gotten to that phase of or level of stress, that you just say, I can't take this anymore. Please, 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 I just can't take it. Oh, I can't. I can't take it anymore. I just can't deal. I can't take it. Yes. Remember, we have literal or inferred meanings of these phrases. All right? So the literal meaning of this je ne peux plus means I can't take it anymore. I just can't. I'm over it. I'm over you. Okay, so that is it. So tell me, now I've told you that it is not just every time you're tired or exhausted or mentally drained that you say, je suis fatigué, je suis fatigué. No. Okay? There are several ways to express tiredness. So tell me, which of these would you be going for? Is it je suis fatigué, male, or je suis fatigué, female? Is it je suis crevé? Is it je suis épuisé? Is this je ne peux plus? Je ne peux plus. I just can't take this anymore. Which one are you going to use today? Please kindly comment your answer. Okay? I'll be watching out for your comments in my comment section. Like my videos, share my videos, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.